Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Sujith here from Benzene. And in this video today, we're going to talk about JIRA Service Management as to where is the portal where employees can raise a ticket and where do we come and view all the tickets which we have in our queue. So let's start. This video, I've created a sample service management, which is basically for IT teams. So let's see how a normal employee can reach out to IT teams to get their problems and licenses and tools solved. Once your service management project is created, if you go to your project on your left side navigation panel, you will find something called as channels. So if you click on channels, you can see all these options through which an employee can reach out or create service requests for respective teams. And once you've made these channels public, any employee within your organization will be able to raise tickets to their respective teams. So let's see how an employee can raise an IT ticket through a portal. So once you click on open, the user or the employee will be directed to a page as shown on the screen right now. Now, while I was creating this project, I've selected a default template which Jira already gives. The default template has a lot of options which are common generic use cases. However, this template can also be templatized or customized going to your project settings by your admins. So these are all the options which are available by default in the template. And let's say an employee wants to raise a ticket for a software tool. So all the employee has to do is go to applications and click on request new software. So once you're directed to this screen, all you have to do is fill out basic details for the tools which you're requesting access for. Here, I have filled basic details like what is the summary of the request and what are the details of the request in description. And I've also attached a sample file here. Basically, if you want to attach an approved email or something so that it helps the IT team or respective teams to fasten the process, you can attach it here. So once I filled my request, all I have to do is click on send. As a person who's raising a request, you will also get a preview of what request you've sent. Also, the team which is using this dashboard to maintain the queue of service requests will be able to see that here. If you see, Miro access for DW team is a sample ticket which I had raised for my IT team in this example, and the IT team has got it and they can start working on it. So this is how the flow of JIRA service management works. Basically, you get a portal which has to be made public where the employees can raise tickets. And this dashboard, which we saw right now, has the list of all the queue of requests. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope it helped.